Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. This one, the square root of x, we put about x to the power of 1 over 2. This one, we put about x to the power of 2 over 3. This one we have x to the power of 1 over 4. Now, this one divided by this one, similar for this one in here. So, we have x to the power of 1 over 2 minus 1 over 4 minus number 2 x to the power of 2 over 3 minus 1 over 4 plus x to the power of negative 1 over 4. So this one we have 1 over 4. This one we have 5 over 12. And now we have the formula in here. The integration of x to the power of n dx. We have x to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. Now we can apply this formula for this one, and this one. So this one we have 5 over 4. This one we have 5 over 4. This one we have 17 over 12. This one we have 17 over 12. This one we have 3 over 4. This one we have 3 over 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.